Johto Johnny's the name. Pokemon is the game. Hey Johto Lee, hope you're all doing great. If you subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so you're always Jotified for the next video. We try to post every Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Friday, and Saturday. We try to do a live. If not, we will post a video on Saturday. And if I don't, I will make a video or I will let you know. I never like leaving the Johto Elite out or whatever I'm trying to say. Another Vaporeon. Another code for you. All right, so we got 3-pack. Like I said, on my hunt over the weekend, literally all I could find. Well, I only found 2 Elite Trainer boxes. Like I told you, the one is going to the winner of that massive giveaway. Hopefully by the time this video is up, it's sent out. If not, then I have the 2 packs I need to send. So, Johto Johnny's got quite a bit going on here. And I've been working 6 days a week. So, you try to fit that all in. Yeah, it's pretty tough. But who doesn't have issues like that? Holographic Leon. Leonhardt would be ecstatic. He's going out of his mind right now. Oh, wait, the full art he wants. But yeah, still Leon. All right, maybe an amazing rare. That'd be great. Let's see here. Just happy I'm not opening Champion's Path for a little while. Not that I can find it, because scalpers like to ruin Pokemon for everyone. But Alistair Black, maybe? Nice. Pick-a-Peck. Mudbray. Joltik. Weedle. Tailo. Tailo again. And Orbeetle VMAX. So now we have 2 VMAX pulls. The other one was the Colossal, so not bad. Not bad at all. All right, last pack. We've already gotten an amazing rare. And the other opening, hopefully you all saw that. All right. Energy, Galvantula, Go-Goat, Wyndon Stadium, Whismur, Execute, Woobat, Beldum, Blitzel, Barraskewda, and, Ampharos V. That was a great 3-pack blister. Do say so myself. Awesome. Will we open more? Of course. If we can find it, we will open it. All right, so I'll put these in the binder. So we got the Ampharos V, the Orbeetle VMAX, and the holographic Leon. Johto Johnny's the name. Pokemon is the game. Johto Elite, thank you for all you do. Watch the videos. If you can't watch them, let them run. Get back to them later. Help out Johto Johnny. Thank you all, and have a great day.